Welcome to 30 Days to Build an AI. Every day we'll spend just around 10 minutes building step by step, and best of all, it's completely free. Welcome to day 12. Today, we'll explore the cd command in depth, learning shortcuts and tricks to navigate like a pro. And for our AI, we'll expand Open WebUI by adding new tools, making our AI even more useful. Let's dive in. If you're excited to build along with me, let's train YouTube together. Like, comment, share, and subscribe so you don't miss a single day. Let's open up our Ubuntu server. Start typing Ubuntu in the search bar, and when it appears in your menu, just click on it. Remember Ctrl+ if you want to make the font bigger. So, as always, we will start by installing our updates. Remember sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. Why? Today, we're mastering the cd command, the heart of moving around in Linux. We'll start by installing tree so you can see your folders like a map. Then I'll walk you through quick jumps, shortcuts, and ways to move up and down your directory structure with ease. By the end, you'll be gliding through your files without thinking twice. First, let's install tree. Tree has to be one of my favorite commands. Sudo apt install -y tree. Now, if we type tree, example, directories, it will show us all the directories and files inside there. First, we'll use the powdd command to check our current location. Now, let's run tree from here. This will display all the folders and files in my home directory, including our example directories folder. Let's start by moving into example directories with cd example directories. We'll run ls to list its contents, then tree to see the full structure. Next, we'll change into directory 1 and run tree again. From there, we'll jump into directory to /directory 3 ... We'll go up one level with cd ... then up to levels with cd ... /... Using cd, we'll return to our previous location. Now, let's go back and then jump straight to ~example -directories /directory A /directory B /directory C. We'll use cd to go back again, then cd ... To move up to levels ... Finally, we'll head home with cd tilde. Here's a quick summary of the cd commands we have used today. For today's fun command, we're going retro internet. We'll install nyancat and run it right in the terminal. Sudo apt install. Why nyancat? Nyancat. Sit back and enjoy the animated rainbow cat. Press Ctrl+C to exit. Next, we're adding tools using openwebui.com. First, before we install our weather tool, let's start by asking Codebeard what the weather's like in London. Without the tool, he can't give real-time information, so instead, he decides to generate a picture. So, Let's head over to openwebui.com and open the Tools section. Search for weather. The top result is a great choice. It's been downloaded over 15,000 times and doesn't require an API key. Click Get, then enter your Open WebUI URL, http://localhost:3000, and click Import WebUI. This takes you back to your Open WebUI Tools page, where you can save the tool. Remember from yesterday, you'll see the alert box pop up, but we've chosen a tool that's pretty safe. Now, go back to your workspace and select your AI model. Scroll down to the Tools section and tick the box next to Weather. Save the updated model, then open a new chat. Now, let's ask CodeBeard about the weather in London. You'll see he responds with real-time data and even includes a reference to where the information came from. Now, let's see how CodeBeard responds when I ask him the time. That's actually pretty impressive. He runs a script and tells me it's the 14th hour, but unfortunately not quite what we want. So, let's head back to openwebui.com and download the GetTime tool. With 8.7 thousand downloads, it's a solid choice. Click Get. Your Open WebUI URL should still be there, so go straight to clicking Import widget, then click Save and Confirm. Now head back to your workspace and select your AI model. Scroll down to the Tools section and tick Get I'm. Click Save, then open a new chat. Let's ask CodeBeard the time now that he has his new tool installed. Look at that, no script needed. He gives us the time straight away. However, there's a small problem. CodeBeard is an hour behind. Let's investigate. My PC's time is correct, so let's use the date command to check the time on our WSL server. So, my WSL server has the correct time. Let's see what time our Open WebUI container thinks it is. Aha, it's an hour behind, running on UTC instead of BST. Let's fix that. The code to do this will be in the description below. Let's change that. First, we'll step inside the container, paste and run the command, then press Ctrl-D to exit. Next, using Portainer, we'll restart our Open WebUI container. Once our container is green, we will go back and check our WSL and Open WebUI container to check they are both saying the right time. Perfect. Finally, let's put CodeBeard to the test. Great. CodeBeard is now sailing with us on the ocean waves, running on British summertime. That's it for day 12. Today, we mastered the CD command, explored our directories with Tree, had some fun with nyancat, and gave CodeBeard new skills with live, weather, and time tools. If you enjoyed today's session, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. Tomorrow, we'll be diving into even more ways to supercharge our AI with new integrations. Bye for now.